It's not just optimization of our current aligner treatment. I think it's next generation orthodontics.
Aligners and how to reinvent aligner treatment.
That's the workflow from the scanner stage up to the point where you have a LuxCreo file that you then take to Lux Design for printing.
The aligners, when they are 3D printed, you can see really that they are going right into the interproximal space. They have much better adaptation to the dentition, and all these, I would say, extra material will help you correct and rotate teeth much better. You have a better handle on the dentition, and you don't need to use so many attachments.
So this is the module that the lab person is using, and it's just grabbing the batch that's due at this time. And it integrates with LuxCreo, where it creates a format that works that's compatible with LuxCreo.
For LuxCreo, they have a gas transition temperature that is really high, so close to 100 degrees. So whenever you place it into your patient's mouth, the aligner is still at a relatively hard state. So it still retains that force you need to move the teeth. It doesn't become too soft. And then if you want to trigger the shape memory effect for that aligner, you don't do that through body temperature. You do that by throwing it into hot water.